Welcome to the workshop. Well, the welding cart is almost complete. Here's the original design drawings, and here's the actual cart. The only thing remaining for completion is to get the drawer tacked and welded, which is happening with my friend George. Very grateful for his help. And since I have nothing to do today, I think what I'm going to do is load up the rest of the gear onto the cart. First off is to bring in the gas bottle of argon for the TIG welder. These little puppies are heavy, and I'm getting weaker on a daily basis, so I fumble around with it trying to get it up onto the cart, but it only has to happen once. At this point, it was time to try the cord winders. I have not used them. I designed them, I thought, to be fairly flexible, but I hadn't any real idea whether they were going to work or not. In particular, working with the MIG gun is clumsy because it's very stiff, and I was concerned that it wasn't going to work with the cord winders, but after a few moments I seemed to figure it out. Well, there she be, loaded for bear, iteration number 1. So, just waiting for the drawer still. But being it's Thanksgiving, I'm not sure that I can legitimately ask George to finish TIG welding my drawer today. But most things fit underneath, and cords are a little challenging. As it turns out, I wouldn't have minded the MIG welder to have a different plug on the end. I suppose it could be accomplished by lopping it off, but I think we'll just leave it where it is. And yeah, real happy with the project.